Are you looking forward to fix YouTube download waiting for Wi-Fi to connect? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, move into YouTube. Head over to your profile. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, scroll down and in the section of video and audience preferences, move into offline. Well, you have to make sure that the download over Wi-Fi only option is turned off. Once it has been turned off, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to settings. Inside settings, you need to move into cellular. Make sure to turn on cellular data. Once it has been turned on, move into cellular data options and make sure to turn off low data mode. Once you have turned off this option, you might be good to go. Also scroll all the way down to the bottom and make sure to turn on YouTube. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.